Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Draw the Strokes. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to draw this Naruto, and it's not gonna be a time-lapse video, but I will be drawing it in real time and also explaining you along with drawing. So let's get started. I'm gonna start it by drawing his head. There is only head, no more options to draw anything more. So okay, let's start it off by drawing a simple circle, and there goes perfect circle. No, it's not perfect, but it kind of works. I'm drawing a line. It's not a straight line, but it's slightly slanting towards the right. It's slightly slanting towards the left side because in the picture, as his head is slightly slanting towards left side, I want to indicate by this line. So mostly drawing anime characters or any other characters in anime deals with proportions. They are not kind of like typical human proportions, but they're kind of different and it has its unique style. That's what the beauty of anime. Drawing kind of V shape to indicate his jaws. I'm dragging a line which is attached to the straight line and corner of the circle. Another line, just drag it. When you look at his eyes, they are not like straight. Even they are somewhat slanting. So what I'm gonna say is, if it's a straight line, so we have to draw his eyes slightly slanting like this to place where his nose is. It's like so. Yeah, I'm showing it in my fingers. One, yeah, here I draw his nose, and distance between his eyebrows and nose is as equal to distance of his nose from bottom of his chin. Even the distance between his eyes are like one eye width. Like if this is the eye, if this is the size of his eye, one eye same like this fits into the gap. So that's how we have to ensure that the gap is in such a way. Another eye, and his eyebrows. There's a serious look in the picture, so we have to draw his eyebrows close to his eyes. Drawing kind of a L shape and flip it again to draw the bottom of his eye. And here we go, we got his eyes. We got drawing his eyes. Using the same formula to draw another eye. And now I'm drawing these lines. Don't know why they're, I think so they are to indicate the folds of his skin. And another line indicating his nose and his kind of nostrils. So as I said earlier, they are not human proportion. His mouth is like very small as compared to typical human proportions, and they are like slightly open. He has slightly opened his mouth. semicircle or semi donut to draw his eyeballs, another small semi donut to draw inside his eyeballs, and repeat it one more time, and we mostly got his eye. That's it. Same formula, use it to another eye. They're kind of simple. That's why I love drawing anime characters. They're kind of simple and easy to learn. To be honest, even I have no idea about this Naruto or any anime before this. I just want to show you how to draw anime characters, so I have gained a bit idea on them. Honestly speaking, I don't even know the name of this character. And now he is banned. And there goes the symbol on headband, which is a kind of, first draw a C and curve it inside. Don't know what that replicates or what that indicates, because I don't see this anime programs or anything like that. I just like drawing them. Now I'm kind of simply outline or simply like lay out the basic shape of his hair and then add some details to it. Wait a minute, I forgot to erase the layout. And now I'm gonna draw his neck. And then color of his dress. And the locket on his neck. I don't know the story behind his dress or the locket which is on his neck, so I can't really elaborate or explain anything about this. I just want to teach you how to draw, erasing the extra lines and the bullshit. Get out of my way. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. I think so I have shown you most of the drawing. The hardest parts to draw, and now I'm just simply gonna add some details into it and shade some parts of it. So I'm gonna time lapse it and show you. You can easily learn it. So